Hey everyone, today at Half Chrome we are happy to announce our very first scholarship winner, Whitney Weimold.
I'm Whitney Weimold. I'm going to be attending Ellsworth Community College in Iowa Falls, Iowa this fall, and I'm excited to be able to work in the precision ag industry and hopefully spread the word on drones and their important uses. Thanks!
She's going to take home $1,000 and she's going to use that towards her education in precision agriculture. Now, we put out a scholarship offer to thousands of students and we sent it to universities around the states, and her video was chosen. Whitney talked about in her video how drones and UAVs could help feed more people on fewer acres of land, right? Precision agriculture is a growing field and a very important field, and that is what she's going into. So we are proud to send you $1,000. Hey, here at Half Chrome, we are thankful to give back, and not only do we give back in form of scholarships, we've also spent some time in classrooms. Both Chris and I, we had the chance, the opportunity to spend some time in a STEM class at a local high school where they were learning about engineering and aeronautics. We spent some time building drones, teaching kids how to fly, talking about the uses, future careers. It was a blast, a lot of fun. In addition to that, I also run a local drone club at that same high school where we fly after school. Force One was awesome enough to send 30 drones to our school so those kids can learn how to fly. We fly them, we fix them, we repair them, we modify them, and then we fly some more. It's a blast. Love giving back. Half Chrome will have another $1,000 scholarship. Down in the description below, there is a link to our scholarship. So if you know someone headed off to college and $1,000 might help them buy books or whatnot, and they love drones, they want to talk about how they could potentially use them in the future, or how anyone could use them in the future, feel free to share the link below. We'd love for as many people to have the opportunity to apply as they can. You know someone that works in admissions, send it to them. You know someone that works at a university, send it to them. They'll get it to the right people so that kids have the opportunity to apply for these scholarships. It's one way that we give back. We know it's a little bit, but every bit counts with the rising tuition costs. Hey, thanks for watching, and thanks, Whitney, and congratulations again. Good luck to you in the future, and we wish you well. You can also find information about our scholarship at halfchrome.com. Search scholarship and you'll see it there.